So this is kimono number 3, and kimono number 3 uses a different type of technique. What it uses is a box pleat. So if we have a quick look at what a box pleat is, so a box pleat is the same type of pleat. It's the same pleat that we've been folding. The only difference is it's folded a different way. So this time it's folded where the pleats face inwards, they face in towards each other. So I've got my A3 sheet of paper again, and what we're going to do, we're going to turn it landscape. We're going to fold it away from us and then fold it away from us again. Make sure you press your folds in. Fold it in half, press that fold in, and you will have 6 rectangles when you open it out. So this is the same folding technique as the other ones, unless it's got 4 rectangles, but it's always the same principle. So we're going to separate our, and we'll deal with that one later. Same thing again, we're going to look at the front body. So we're going to cut down the centre front. That's our entry or exit line to allow us to be able to get inside the kimono. Let's just remind ourselves. So this kimono has a small waist tie. There is also a smaller version of a neckband. And as we talked about, it's got these interesting box pleats. Measure some lines, 1.5 centimetres each all the way along. So let's do that now. And now we've got our lines. I've left a space in the middle for the neckband. We need to create the fold. So we need to fold back where all these lines are. So now I've made creases in all my folds. We'll get ready to start folding for our box pleat. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold one way towards the shoulder, the other way away from the shoulder. And when we do that, it creates this little box pleat. Let's do it again. One fold towards the shoulder. We're not leaving any space this time. One fold away from the shoulder or towards our previous pleat. And that creates us these little box pleats, as you can see. And just as a recap, we're going to have a look at our previous one. We can see we've got box pleats here. So we've got I've got it wrong side up, and I'm going to put the sleeves on. So I've already got the sleeves prepped. I'm just going to put the sleeves into place, and then I'm going to tape them in. So that's my sleeves in. Let's turn it the right way around. And it's already starting to look like a kimono. I'm going to make myself a necktie, which is just going to go here. Our waist tie. And that's my kimono all complete. So there's a fourth one that you could do, which is this one. And this one's got pin tucks. So this is a series of knife pleats, and the knife pleats are facing inwards. And then what I've done is at the end, I have turned the fabric the opposite way around. So have a play. This is pin tucks, and see what you think. So I hope you've enjoyed my video on making a paper maquette, zero waste sewing, and you've enjoyed my little experiment. I'll leave some links down below for the other videos, for the videos that will show you me sewing the kimonos. And I'll catch you soon. Bye for now.